Have you ever felt like your cloud bill is a bit higher than it should be, or that your applications are running on more horsepower than they actually need? It is a common challenge that many organizations face, and it often comes down to an invisible cost creator. You can identify overprovisioning with resource review by systematically analyzing your cloud resource usage against their allocated capacity. Overprovisioning simply means you have assigned more computational power, memory, storage, or network bandwidth than your applications or services currently requiring, leading to unnecessary expenditures and wasted potential. This situation frequently arises from a few key factors. Often, resources are initially provisioned with generous buffers to handle unexpected traffic spikes or future growth, or perhaps due to a lack of precise historical performance data. Without regular assessment, these initial allocations can quickly become excessive as workloads change, or as applications become more efficient, leaving valuable resources underutilized and silently draining your budget. To effectively identify overprovisioning, start by collecting comprehensive metrics for all your cloud resources. This means diligently monitoring key indicators like CPU utilization, memory consumption, disk I/O operations per second, and network throughput across your virtual machines, databases, and storage. Next, analyze this historical data over a significant period, typically several weeks or even months, to establish clear baselines and identify both average and peak usage patterns. A critical step is then to compare the provisioned capacity against these actual usage metrics. If an instance consistently uses 20% of its allocated CPU, it is a clear candidate for right-sizing. You should also look for resources that are completely idle or have extremely low utilization, as these might be candidates for deprovisioning. Remember to involve your application teams to understand workload characteristics and future plans, ensuring that any adjustments do not negatively impact performance. This systematic approach is essentially a continuous cloud fitness check. By digging into metrics, you are not just reducing costs, you are optimizing performance and even contributing to sustainability by using resources more efficiently. Tools like native cloud monitoring services, such as AWS CloudWatch, Azure Monitor, or Google Cloud Operations, are invaluable here, providing detailed telemetry and often offering cost explorer features that highlight underutilized assets. Regularly scheduled reviews, perhaps monthly or quarterly, ensure that your cloud environment stays lean and efficient, adapting to evolving demands. Ultimately, proactively identifying and addressing overprovisioning through consistent resource reviews transforms your cloud spending from a fixed cost into a strategic asset. This practice ensures your infrastructure is perfectly aligned with your actual needs, maximizing efficiency, improving application performance, and significantly cutting down on unnecessary expenses, freeing up resources for innovation and growth.